Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get that file and how to open it in Minitab. So we're on the descriptive statistics, and you'll see a file here in a second as that pulls up. The hospital Minitab data. So if you'll click on that. And then save it. Mine's going to save to my desktop. Just know where you're saving it there. A lot of times it'll put it in downloads, but I have mine to save on my desktop. So now you can see it's down here on my desktop. You cannot go click on that because Minitab is not on your computer. Minitab is online. So if you click on that right here, like you do a Word file or something, it goes and looks for Minitab to open it with, and you do not have Minitab on your computer. So I am going to quickly go here and go open up Minitab. That's app.minitab.com. So Minitab is opening up from app.minitab.com. Once you get that to open up, then you go File, Open, and you'll have to know if it's a worksheet or if it's a project. And the way you'll know that is it'll either have a W on the end of the file or it will have a P. So I'll show you where that is on my computer here. It's a Minitab worksheet file. So now I'm going to go back to Minitab and open that file. So I go File, Open, Worksheet. And when you do that, it says, where do you want to open it from? And I tell it a local file because it's locally on my computer, which yours should be as well. Click OK. And then it'll show you all the ones that you can open up. And here it is. Usually just the ones that you can open with Minitab will be dark. But remember, it was called Hospital Comparison, and it's on my desktop here. So I double click on that and it loads that file in. When you come to this place, just continue without autosave, because I don't want to, you might not want to allow it access to your OneDrive or your Google Drive or any drives that you have. So I always just click on Do Not Autosave. And then here's our file, and you can see it's the hospital data. You can pull this up, and there you can see each of hospitals A's and their ratings, and hospital B with its ratings. And there are 40 pieces of data. So the reason why I gave you the swap file was so you wouldn't have to type in those 40 pieces of data yourself. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.